In this video, we're just going to show you how to contest a template that if you feel has been rejected because of the wrong category. So usually you'll put it through as a utility and WhatsApp will think it's a marketing one. So I'm just going to explain what you need to do. So you've clearly got your rejected template here. So I've just created one on purpose, actually. It's called Wrong Cat. So if we click into here, so this is your Meta Business Manager. So I'm assuming you are an admin. Head into business settings and then look for business support. Click into there. You'll notice there's WhatsApp Manager where there's other things you can do, and there'll be for another video. But let's just go into here. We scroll all the way down and we've got some WhatsApp account issues. So let's just click into this one here, which is the account in question. And you'll notice we've got rejected message templates. Simply select the template in question, click request review, and then put your reason. Now, in 9 times out of 10, this is what it's going to be. It's going to be correct category was requested. Now, at this point here, I think it's quite powerful to rephrase back WhatsApp's definitions of this. So, all right, so under this page here, I just Googled Meta developers, WhatsApp template category, I think is what I just Googled. But if you look on here, you can see here the URL in question. Now, utility templates. Here is a common one. So, you're wanting to send a message to start an interaction in WhatsApp that began in another channel. So perhaps someone's filled out a contact us form that you receive our email and you want to reach out to them. So you've got some really good reasons here. So my advice is, I've got this message. It relates back to one of these ones here. And then you can just copy and paste that into here and make reference to that. So that is how you can test it. They're usually pretty quick, and if it does move from rejected to accepted, it will automatically update in your message box environment. Any questions, please let me know.